Good afternoon guys, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today on a quiet cul-de-sac, Ivory Close, with this fabulous 3-bedroom semi-detached property. Occupying a really generous plot here. You've got gardens both to the front and to the side, as you can see, as well as off-road parking for multiple cars. Gated access out into the rear. We'll go and take a look around inside. As we enter the entrance hallway, you've got your downstairs guest WC just on the left, and opposite across the hall is the kitchen dining space. 3 bedrooms to the first floor, your family bathroom, storage once again on the ground floor and the first floor. Lovely and bright in here. Really nice, generous space. Plenty of space for your appliances. So you've got a washing machine in the far corner, tumble dryer just on the left, and as you can see, your gas hob, electric oven alongside storage. Into the open plan lounge and dining space, which then leads through to the rear garden. You do have been on the side, you've got this additional garden space that could offer further development potential. Nice spacious garden out the rear, mostly overlooking the neighbouring rear gardens. And then as we head up to the first floor, 3 generously sized bedrooms. So you've got your box room just at the top of the stairs. Which overlooks the rear garden, as does the second double. Literally, it's lovely and private. You've just got fields behind you there. And then as we continue down the landing, your family bathroom, shower above the tub, and further storage just tucked away on the left. And lastly, into this lovely bright master bedroom with your 2 double windows. Now, the property is a perfect first time purchase or investment for those who may be considering adding on to their current portfolio. You're perfectly located in regards to local schools, amenities and fantastic transport links. So if you'd like to book a viewing, do please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.